Hello and welcome to Caravan Caravans. I'm Sean Calica, part of the sales team here. Just want to give you a quick walk around tour of the Sprite Major 4SB 2022, so please sit down and enjoy. So the Caravan's a 4-berth single axle caravan, beautiful side decals. So again the Sprite badging, bronzy gold tint just on the side, it looks absolutely beautiful. Your main battery box, your water intake, and obviously just at the rear, obviously with regards to the toilets, front towing, so again with regards to the alcove stabilizer, and very straightforward of which to connect, which would naturally show you through. And then obviously in the front locker houses 2 gas bottles, so again it does house up to 2 6-kilogram bottles to be able to put in. Just moving around the caravan, so again on the habitation door side, so again on this particular layout it's got under storage under the side bed, and then just to the rear it's got your LED lights, and also as well it has the fittings that if you did wanted to add a bike rack as well. Caravan, so straight opposite, naturally there we've got, in terms of your kitchen area, to the left you've got your main living area as well, so a nice spacious area, your panoramic roof, it is a blown air caravan, so again in terms of your vents just underneath in terms of the bed selection, a little bit of storage. But again, the colour contrast naturally are absolutely beautiful. So again, just between them, you've got your fly screens and your main blinds, your overhead lockers, and the roof in terms of your speakers. Now your speakers in 2022 is obviously gone to a standard radio. So a standard radio for 2022. Your main control as you walk in just above the habitation door, and you've got your tunable lane air controls as well. Just to the left you've got then in terms of your carbon monoxide and your alarm, TV port and your electric socket, and a nice little corner unit again for the storage side. It's on the overhead with the panoramic and just drops down nicely. Again, it's got the non-gloss finish just in terms of on the sides there. So just overhead, so again just to be able to open up if you want a little bit extra air, so very easy of which to be able to open, and then just to push it straight back on. If you want to stop the flies from coming in, or at night time, you've then got an additional section, so on your top kitchen unit, just to be able to lock into place, give you a little bit extra storage, and then just moving across to your fridge. So 2 shelves, 2 baskets, and your freezer compartment as well. Right underneath the sink, you've then got your cutlery drawer. Under your oven, again, nice little bit of storage again. Now your Thetford oven comes with 1 tray, and obviously you've got your grill. And then just moving to the top, it is a 3 gas burner ring. Right above, obviously, with your sink area, you've got the compartment underneath, obviously with 2 sockets, your microwave, and then your storage obviously for your plates and your glasses. To section off in terms of night time, so you've then got the runners just in between, which you can pull across. Again, that will just run over nicely. And then as you can see there, we've then got the side bed, so again transverse island bed. It's currently in day mode, Again, there's plenty of room to be able to walk around. You've got your duvet mattress. Underneath there is where we house the mats, the carpet, and obviously the spare wheel. It does extend just from the side on here, so it's generally, like I say, just to pull out to be able to extend in terms of the bed, and then you've then got your infill to bring it across. So obviously then when we go into night mode, it will take a little bit of space off. It just gives you a good idea in terms of that space just on the headboard itself. Right to the side of the bed, so from a storage point of view, so your aerial, and again obviously the shelving. You've then got your main dining table, and then underneath a couple of nice little drawers, plenty of depth there. If I turn around, just go straight into the corner, you've then got the mirror, corner shelves, and then where TV, again the cupboards underneath, your TV section as well there. Just on your window, again you've still got the fly blinds, and obviously just be able to pull back down and close. And as we go around the bed, so just through the side on there as well. There we go. So moving into the bathroom, so again the sliding door, just to move across. You've then got your Thetford toilet, your wash bowl, and storage underneath. Your main shower, again the doors just clip onto the side to be able to hold in place. And your shower. And then right outside we've got one more cupboard next to your mirror. Robe rings, so again a couple of rings just about to hide your robe, hang your robes, and then also as well towel ring as well. So we'll take one final look just of the inside of the caravan. In terms of that front living area for you. Watching, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any further questions or want to discuss options of purchasing, please feel free to call a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.